Please be ready for dictation from New Era Pitman Sawton. Chapter 5 Diphthongs. Tie, time, twy, twirl, cow, cowed, duty, mule, item, idle, ivy, ice, eyes, ire, isle, I am, nigh, now, bow, avow, due, Matthew, issue, owl, cue, argue, mew, new, value, diary, loyal, towel, attenuate, fewer, annuity, riot, ingenuous, wake, wig, womanish, wear, vary, awake, awoke, aware. Now exercise 17. Pie, pile, piracy, die, dial, dike, sigh, sire, boy, boiling, boiler, bayonet, bayonetly, twirl, twirler, bow, vow, couch, outlaw, county, mouth, lounge, towel, pew, puny, due, endue, beauty, bureau, tube, tubing, duke, dupe, idle, idling, idler, icy, iris, irony, ivy, ivory, while, oiled, now, new, renewal, deny, denial, value, valued, wire, wiry, war, worry, walk, walker, weak, weekly, wake, awake, aware. Now exercise 18. Bite, tile, time, timely, ripe, ride, fire, fiery, coil, coiling, twad, joy, enjoy, coinage, duel, route, rowdy, cowed, pouch, vouch, loud, view, review, dupe, tunic, fury, mule, item, eyes, nigh, deny, voyage, argue, arguing, genuine, wear, vary, weary, woke, awoke, war, worm. Now grammalogs. How, why, beyond, you, large, can, come, go, give, given, for, have. Now exercise 19. Do you feel it right to give the boy so much money? Can you come to Edinburgh for the 4th week of May? I have given the check to my nephew. He should go and see the large ship lying beyond the buoy. How can the beauty of the isle fail to appeal to the Duke? Do they assume the china to be genuine? Now exercise 20. How can you attach the wire to the high chimney? They were due to arrive at 5, but were delayed a long time at week. You should verify each item on the bill. Do you like the new tire you have had put on the car? Few of the party knew why you had to go to Newquay on the 10th of July. A week ago, I saw Doyle, but he had no time to give to my work. He had to hurry for the boat.